Beauties and Bosses. My name is Trinity and welcome to my channel. So this video is going to be fairly short. I just decided that I was going to do a video on my daily / weekly skincare routine. I use the following. I use the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. These right here. To remove the makeup. Right now I have on lipstick, clearly, a little bit of blush, some eyeliner, some eyeshadow. It's actually like a cream eyeshadow, like a crayon. This is like my everyday, it's like a crayon. I've had this for years now. It's so awesome. I put on lipstick, blush, a little bit of eyes. Oh, and I pencil my brows because back in the day, for some reason, I don't know why in the 90s we shaved our eyebrows off just to draw them back on. And after years and years and years of doing that, my hair is real funky in the eyebrow area. It doesn't grow properly. Now, if I do a full face, like if I'm going to an event, like a wedding or a banquet or something real fancy, and I put on foundation and contouring and highlighting and stuff like that, what I would do is I would use this. I've had this for years too. This is a makeup eraser, and it really does once you wet your face. So what I'll do is I will wash my face with facial soap, and then of course everything doesn't come off. Then everything else comes off with this. Like, I don't know what kind of material this is, but it just grabs everything that was left off of your face. So definitely invest and get one of these. This is a makeup eraser. I've had this about 7 years, and you can wash it. Obviously, it's some type of cloth. Let me see, what is it? Does it say 100% polyester? It works. So anyway, back to my routine. This is what I do first. I use the Neutrogena wipes, and then I use this energizing facial cleanser. It says invigorates and rinses cleanse with ginseng and fruit extracts, won't clog pores, vitamin enriched beads, exfoliate skin, oil free. This is the Walmart brand. What it says, compare to Clean and Clear morning burst facial cleanser. I think I used that first. Someone let me try theirs, and I liked the results. I liked the way my face felt. It had like a nice, fresh and cool sensation to it. And so I've been using this for a couple years now. So something told me to just try the Walmart brand, the Equate Beauty brand. Does the same thing. I learned that all you gotta do a lot of times is look at the active ingredients in the, name brand product. If it's the same, you can get it. Trust me. So I do this every day, every night. So first, use the wipes. Then I usually wash my face in the shower. Then I use this every night. And every Monday, which today just so happens to be Monday. By the time I upload this, it's going to be a Thursday, but today is actually Monday. Every Monday, I exfoliate my face. Now this is the Equate Beauty, the Walmart brand again, but it says compare to Clean and Clear Deep Action Exfoliating Scrub. Same active ingredients, same results. It's worked for me for years, so hey, why not? So it says deep clarifying, exfoliating scrub, cleanse deep into the pores while gently exfoliating, cool and refreshing, paraben free and oil free. This stuff is amazing. I got a facial a couple years ago, and I have pretty decent skin because I don't have on any foundation. Like I said, I only have on blush, lipstick, something on my eyes, and something on my eyebrows. But the esthetician that did my facial, she told me I should be exfoliating my skin once a week, and I've been doing that for the past like 4 years. So once a week, I use this. So you guys can watch my routine. Enjoy. So, as you notice, I wiped off everything on my face except for the lipstick. For some reason, I don't know, like I do the lipstick last. I don't know if you guys do that. I just would rather do the lipstick last because that has like the most pigment in it. And I don't want to defeat the whole purpose of me cleaning my face by just wiping my lips with the lipstick and then wipe it on top of what I just wiped off. So I do the lipstick last. See that? That would be all over my face. All right, so one towelette cleaned my whole face. I'm pretty sure if I would have had on foundation and powder and contour and highlight powder and all that stuff, I would have probably used another one. But I don't know. With this pandemic, I haven't been nowhere that even made sense for me to put on a full face of makeup. So, but this one towelette, Neutrogena makeup remover, worked wonders. First thing I do is wet my face. Like I said, I usually do this in the shower. I put maybe a nickel or dime size in my hand of this facial cleanser. And I am making sure I'm getting every nook and cranny, my nose, my eyes, my lips, under my chin. Really giving myself a good cleanse with that cleanser. Then next is the Deep Clarifying Exfoliating Scrub. Again, I just showed you, that's I usually use a dime size. A little goes a long way. This has those beads in it, so I'm really taking my time, even though it's being sped up, but I'm staying on my face, scrubbing, let those beads rub on my face, exfoliate that skin. And when you rub your hands together, you can kind of feel the beads. I kept on scrubbing and wiping. All right, my face feels so refreshed and clean. This stuff right here, it has, I don't know what it has in it. It has something in it to give you that cool, fresh burst feeling. And this is my face towel. Just block the water off. You don't want to have to get a facelift sooner than you need to. So you always want to, I don't know if you guys noticed, I was going in circular motion, going back, so have that face lifted, keep that skin going that way before it goes that way. I mean, it's gonna happen eventually as we get older, but why not keep it from happening sooner than later? And then again, you don't want to just be roughly drying your face. You kind of want to pat it. Again, we want that face to stay lifted. So yeah, I use this first. This is the Energizing Facial Cleanser. I use this every single night. Like I said, usually I do this stuff in the shower. And then every Monday, once a week, I exfoliate with this Deep Clarifying Exfoliating Scrub. I've been using these two together, I mean, probably about 3-4 years now. And just look at my skin. And I also like to finish off with an oil. Now, I got this from Ross. This is a lavender multi-purpose oil. I'm not going to put this on right now because I'm actually going to take a shower now. But once I get, I don't want this oil to kind of drip in my eye while I'm in that hot shower. But every night I rub the oil on, let my skin absorb it. And it's a very mild oil. Like, literally, by the time I wake up, it's not like I don't wake up greasy. I want to come back after I take a shower. You're going to see me put the oil on. It's going to look greasy, but by the next morning, by the time your skin absorbs it and you lay down and you're on the pillow. And I also use a silk pillow. It's good for the hair. It's great for the skin. It's good for your lashes. Cotton pillows will dry everything out. It absorbs when you think of cotton. I think I mentioned this when I was talking about something about hair in one of my hair videos. But you want to sleep in a satin bonnet. You want to sleep on a satin pillow. You want to have satin on your hair and your skin because it doesn't suck out the natural oils or whatever oils you put on your skin. So I'll be back after I take a shower. Okay guys, I am fresh out the shower. I have on my silk scarf. For those of you who are familiar with my hair videos, I talk about, preserving the moisture in your hair. And you do that by wearing satin or silk scarves or bonnets. This is what I do to my hair, just like a sidebar. I know this is about, my skincare routine, but this is how I go to bed when I don't twist my hair at night. So if you want to preserve your twist out, just put it up in the pineapple, wrap it with a silk or satin scarf, and that's it. So I may wear it up in a ponytail or a puff tomorrow, or because I have it up and I have the curls still preserved at the ends, I can even wear it down. It's going to have a lot of volume because when you push the hair up and then push it down, it's going to push out. So I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow, but this is actually how I sleep with my hair. Either I do 2-strand twists, or I put on a satin scarf and, put it up in a pineapple. Anywho, back to the skincare routine. So now I'm going to put this oil. This is lavender oil, thyme, and rosemary. Again, it's a botanical oil fusion mix that I got from Ross. Did I get it from Ross? Or Burlington, one of those, in the skincare area. And it has like a teardropper, which is convenient. And I just put the drops on my face, like the T-zone area. And again, always you want to rub going back. You want that skin to stay nice, tight, and up. So don't rub forward, because then you're going to be stretching your skin forward and you're going to be hanging. You're going to have hang time before you need to. And that's it. This has like little rosemary and thyme pieces in it. That's good for exfoliating. And that's it. I put on my lips too, just to keep my lips hydrated. And voila. That's my daily and skin routine. So I do everything I just said in this video, but exfoliate. I do this once a week. So again, we have this, the Energizing Cleanser. It's oil free, won't clog up pores, leave skin refreshed. You can get the Clean and Clear. This probably was maybe $4 to $6 maybe. And this here, same thing, $4 to $6. And I would say just get any oil. Like, this smells good. And I've actually put this in my hair too, because when I cleanse my hair, I usually do the lock method. I put a leave-in, an oil, and a cream. I do the twist out. Or if I'm going to do a silk press, I do the leave-in and some type of oil. So I just was like, you know what, let me see if that works for my hair. And it does. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Wasn't too long. Very basic, weekly, daily skin routine. I am a cosmetologist, meaning I did study skin, hair, and nails, but I specialize in hair. So I take pride in taking care of my skin, hair, and nails as well. This is very simple, very user-friendly, I guess you can say. You can get this stuff at Walmart and Dollar General. Just doing like simple things like this, you will see like results in your skin, hair, and nails. Very important to really invest in yourself, and you don't have to spend an arm and a leg. So again, I hope this was very helpful to you. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also click on the notification bell below so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.